Hello everyone, welcome to another video of Eticks on how to create an event with an AutoTier ticket. Go to the event and create an event. Select normal event and click on next. Now, enter the basic information about the event such as an event title, category, start date and time, and end date and time. Upload the event banner and gallery images from your computer. Add the event description and event terms and conditions, and click on Next. Now add the location details such as event location, address, country, state, and city. Click on Next. Then select the AutoTier option and click on a paid ticket. Now, add the ticket name, ticket quantity, ticket price, and allow ticket purchase. Then again select the paid ticket and add the ticket name and all of that. Click on Submit. In the AutoTier option, your first release ticket will be available after your early bird tickets are sold out. Thank you for watching. Subscribe and follow the Eticks for more updates.